Fishing.
Going fishing.
Said it's just a wishing.
Gone a fishing. Right. Andy's just gone down there for a second, so I might put this on.
Here's the first time fly fisherman. He's doing well.
Yeah, it's doing good, Ross.
Right there, isn't it?
Yeah, once it's out, pull it in by hand. You alright? Okay, good morning. We've come to a lake in Wales. Got Andrew and his mate come with us. And we're going track fishing, hopefully. We're all beginners with the fly rod. I've done a bit, but I've never caught anything. We've got the professionals out here as well. Look at this for scenery. Beautiful. So we've hired a boat. We're allowed one rod each, or two, well, we only got one rod anyway. Andy's on the steering. We're making our way to the end of the dam. Look at this place. The lake is huge. So we're going to get a place where no one can see us because we're no good at it. We'll catch them in when we get there. Okay, this is the dam coming up here by the look of it. And we have a little troll, not a troll, we're going to have a little bit of a fall up there. This is where, you can see up there where it cuts the road through the dock. So you can get round the, I think you can get round the lake, I'm not too sure. Also, while I'm here, I've got to give a shout out to Glenda. Hi Glenda, you alright? I said I would, and she said if I do, she'll watch the video. So there you go, Glenda, you got to watch the video. Oh yeah, someone's got one over there. I don't know if I can zoom in, but we'll have a little look. I'm not going to see the fish, so we can't go and have a look, but he's in anyway. So we've been told there's a few fish around by the dam here, and that's why the boats are here. So this is the dam at the head. Oh, also the rules are you can't have the engine running and troll, that's definitely not allowed, which is fair enough, and only two in a boat, if anybody's interested. So we're going to stop the engine, cast, and we're just going to drift now. Andrew, you had a bite, haven't you? A bit more, Andrew. We can go right in there and then we'll just drift. Over there is the fishing pens where they sort of bring them in young ones and then they store them. And they say if you don't catch, if you go by the pens, you're usually guaranteed to get a fish because that's where the other fish are going. Because when these are fed, the other one gets the niblets and all the bits which are floating about. So we might have a go there. We're going back for a cup of tea. I like these docking bays, they're good, aren't they? and he's going to test his landing skills. Now we're going for number 1 dock. I suppose we're going to wrap this.